Welcome viewers to another session of Learning Maths. This is an application in HCF and LCM. My students always ask, where do we apply HCF and LCM? So you could see that this type of questions really need HCF and LCM. Now these questions normally I only target at those application type of questions where I try to address students who have this, hey, maths is not useful in day-to-day life. But I have chosen such questions where you can see that maths is definitely useful and applicable in daily life. So this is one of the scenarios. Ria had 108 crayons and 48 pieces of paper. Ria wants to conduct a drawing event for the children. Find the largest number of children that can receive the number of crayons and equal amount of paper, the number of crayons and pieces of paper each student receives. So here this is the key word. Largest number means this is a question under HCF. So basically you have to divide this equally among children and what is the maximum number of children which can. So it would be good if you could label this as follows. So you have crayons and you have paper, right? So now let me write down there are 108 crayons and 48 pieces of paper. So that is done. So now let me find out what is the largest number of children for part A. So before that, let me do the HCF and I'm going to use this method where I find out the factors for both of them. So 3 is the common factor. So 3, 6. 3 will 1, 6. Again 2. I have 18, 8, again I can 2, 9 and 4. There are no more common factors, so I have to stop here, right? So basically that much. So what is the largest amount of children? So part A, I'm going to have the largest number of children would be largest number of children who are receiving equal number of crayons and paper would be the HCF, right? So you are going to find what is the HCF. This is nothing but the HCF. Right? And you know HCF is nothing but you have to multiply 3 times 2 times 2 which is 12. And that is the answer for part A. Now, if you look at part B, each of these students, the number, how many crayons and how many pieces of paper will each receive. So you will see that each student will receive 9 crayons and each student would receive 4 paper. So the answer for B would simply be each student receives 9 crayons and 4 pieces of paper. Right? So if you are conducting such an event and you know what it is, you can easily calculate and try to this. So this is the application of HCF. Stay tuned, students and viewers, for another interesting session. And please do not forget to subscribe, share and like. Thank you very much.